Hello everyone. It's been a while, guys. I catch up with you and I really missed you guys. yeah. Today I'm making the Malta bread, and today's recipe I stumbled across it in one of the videos I was watching sometime last week, and I thought to try it. So come with me, let's try this recipe together. I've not done it before, this is my first time, so we can as well do it together and let's see how it comes out. So in this recipe we'll be needing Malta Guinness. I call the recipe Malta loaf. So we'll be needing Malta Guinness. I'm using oat flour for this recipe. Oat flour and our eggs. I'm using brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and I'm gonna put a dash of rose syrup, orange syrup as well, and dark chocolate. If you have white chocolate as well, you can use it, but I'm using dark chocolate. So let's see how it comes. And I'll also be using some raisin. I already soaked it in water. You can soak yours with vodka, whatever you feel like, but just make it soft so it's easier to use. And I'll also be using, one second, a silicone pan for this recipe. I think it comes out better. Use what you have, right? So let's start. So I will break my eggs and whisk it in the, okay, oops. So I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. 5 large eggs. Oops. Yeah. And then let's whisk it. Yeah, so I'm gonna put in a dash of my orange syrup there, and then I whisk again. Okay, so we're gonna pour in our Malta. One can is what I'm using for now. Yeah, and then we whips. So what we have here is 5 eggs, a dash of orange syrup, and 1 can of malt. So I'm whisking to get it all blended in. Okay, and then we're gonna measure out 4 cups of our oatmeal flour. So I'm measuring 4 cups of, and I'm gonna be filtering it like so. And 1. 2, 3, and 4. There. So get it all out. Just in case there are any lumps, you're able to break it when you filter like this. Okay, so finished, and then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder, one teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda rather, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna add my brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. Yeah, so this is 1 cup of brown sugar. And I will also be using a little bit of coconut flakes. So let's say half, yeah, just to give it that crunchiness. So I'm putting half cup of coconut flakes and my raisins. So we'll fold in all this stuff. Let's fold. Fold, fold, fold. It's already bouncy. And this is because of the Malta that we added in it. See how bouncy? You can see. I'm gonna show you. It's really, really bouncy. So I'm folding everything in so that we can have a good mixture of all the ingredients. So let's get closer so you can see right there. Let's see how bouncy it's looking. Yeah, everything is in now. Let's fold a little bit more to get a good mixture of all our ingredients. Then we're gonna put our dark chocolate. So I have this dark chocolate. I'm gonna break it all in. Yeah, there we go. Just to give it that crunchiness too. There. So everything is in. You can use white flour if you choose. So my silicone pan says 250 degree, I think. Sorry, 230 degree. That's how I'm gonna set my oven. 230 degree so that it doesn't melt or burn or whatever. So I'm gonna be setting it at 230 degree, and there we go. I'll be using two pans. Yeah, yeah. Let's go in with this one. So you want to enjoy cake, bread, loaf. You can do this at home, and it's easy and quick. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna put this in my oven and bake. There we go. Okay. So guys, we'll be using a little bit of orange syrup and rose syrup to glaze our Malta loaf. So I'll be pouring that and mixing it up before my loaf is out of the oven. So this is a little bit dash like that, and this one not too much because we just want to glaze the loaf. And I have my brush here, so let's check if our loaf is cooked properly or not. So come with me to the oven, let's see. Ooh, can you see that? So it's still very sticky. No, it's not cooked at all. See, so we'll still leave it for another remaining about 20 minutes to cook. So let's still wait. Okay, well, so guys, time to check our Malta loaf. Let's check our Malta loaf and see how far well it's cooked. Wow, I think it's well cooked. So, ooh. So when I put in the skewer, there's no stain. I just know it's properly cooked. So I'm gonna bring it out now. Whilst we wait. Okay. So let's take out our. Ooh, there we go. What a wow. Okay. What a wow. Okay. So we got. Take it out. What a wow. Ooh. Gotta let it cool off a little bit, I think. So let's see again. See with this skewer, we can't even get anything out. Okay. Turn off. So let's see what we got here. I know. Okay, let's see if we're gonna bring it out. So, oh, so hot. Trying to get it out, guys. Ooh. See? Mm-mm-mm. Super hot.